Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about behavior of real gases, that is deviation from behavior of ideal gases and explanation for deviation from the ideal gas behavior. Two concepts, these are from the chapter States of Matter. Behavior of real gases, that is known as deviation from ideal gas behavior. Students, ideal gas is a gas which can obey all the gas laws at all temperature and pressures. But in actual, no gas can behave as ideal gas. Because of intermolecular force of attraction, real gases will deviate from the ideal behavior. But at following conditions, at two conditions, a real gas can behave as an ideal gas. Let us see what are those conditions now, right? Real gases can behave as ideal gas under following conditions. First one is low pressure and high temperature. Students, under these conditions, low pressure and high temperature, intermolecular force of attraction is negligible. In a gas, the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible at these conditions. Low pressure, molecules are away from each other. High temperature, so they cannot condense easily. They cannot form aggregates at high temperature. So that is the reason why there is no intermolecular force of attraction is acting even if it is a real gas. Then a real gas can behave as an ideal gas. When we apply Boyle's law equation to the real gases, when Boyle's equation is applied to the real gases, the graphs are obtained like this. By taking pressure on x-axis, PV on y-axis. We know if it is ideal gas, PV is constant at a constant temperature. PV is constant at constant temperature for the ideal gas. Then for the helium gas, we will get a graph like this, slightly deviating from the ideal behavior. This is for the helium gas. And for the hydrogen, we will get a graph like this for PV graph. Nitrogen graph is like this, we will get this is for the N2, and for CH4 it is getting more deviated. So this region is called as negative deviation, this region is called as a positive deviation from the ideal gas behavior. Students, for example, if you take a CH4 molecule, even though this is non-polar molecule, it has a dispersion forces. dispersion forces or the London forces are present in these molecules, non-polar molecules. Then ideal gas, we know as the pressure increases, volume decreases. So PV will remains a constant. Pressure increasing, then volume proportionally it will decrease, so that it will maintain the PV value as a constant. So for the CH4 alone we are discussing now. For the CH4, it is a non-polar molecule which has a dispersion forces under low pressure region. This region you consider. On the x-axis, these readings left to the right, pressure values are increasing. So here extreme left, you can observe here extreme left side, low pressure region. When the pressure slightly increasing, then molecules are coming closer to each other. CH4, CH4, CH4 molecules are present in a container. If these are present under low pressure, then the molecules will come closer to each other because of dispersion forces or the London forces. They will form aggregate. There is a chance of forming aggregates. Then whereas in the case of ideal gases, when we increase the pressure, volume decreases. Volume decreases proportionately. But in the case of real gas CH4, when we are increasing the pressure at low pressure region, slightly when we are increasing the pressure, there is a dispersion forces is acting. So instead of decreasing the volume less, it will decrease more decrease in the volume will takes place because of intermolecular force of attraction. Ideal gases, we know as the pressure increases, volume decreases. But here the decrease in volume is more because of intermolecular force of attraction. So that's why these are showing negative deviation. Okay, this curve we are getting because of this intermolecular force of attraction. But in this region, when we are observing at high pressures, the molecules are coming even closer to each other, then repulsive forces will dominate. When the pressure slightly increasing, then instead of volume decreasing, volume will increase because of repulsive forces. Then there is a positive deviation it is showing, because instead of PV remains a constant, PV value increasing, because with the increase in P, V also increases. Then the product of PV, it is a positive, it is increasing more than the ideal gas. Right, students? Next let us discuss about the graph, PV graph for the ideal gas and real gases. Students, PV graph, pressure versus volume graph for the ideal gases and real gases. We know with the increase in volume, pressure will decreases for the ideal gases. Like this curve can be obtained. This is for the ideal gas. And a similar graph can be obtained for the real gases, but it is deviating from the ideal behavior. This is for the real gases. You will get a graph like this. Real gas PV curve we are getting like this. So when we observe these two graphs, students, at high pressure region, this is high pressure region, this is. Now pressure we are taken on the y-axis. So as we are moving up, then pressure is more, increasing pressure is. At high pressure region, there is lot of gap between the graph, that is for the real gases and ideal gas. That means real gases are deviating more from the ideal behavior under the high pressure region. But low pressure region, they are almost coinciding, little gap only it is present. Means real gases nearly they will behave as ideal gas under low pressure region. Students, the next topic we will continue, that is explanation for deviation from ideal gas behavior, ideal gas behavior. Two faulty assumptions made in KTGS. Two faulty assumptions made in KTGS, made in kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases is first one, volume of gaseous molecules, volume of gaseous molecules is negligible compared with volume of gases. Students, this is correct under low pressure condition, but at high pressure and low temperature, this is incorrect. Let us discuss now in detail about this point. Students, one of the faulty assumption made in the kinetic molecular theory of gases is volume of the gaseous molecules is negligible compared with the volume of the gas. It is correct at a low pressure region, low pressure and high temperature, it is acceptable, but at the condition of high pressure and low temperature, high pressure and low temperature, gaseous molecules are very closer to each other, then they have considerable volume which cannot be neglected, Students, under low pressure region, there is a lot of gap between the gaseous molecules. Low pressure region, there is a lot of gap. So then we can compare, this is volume of the gaseous molecules can be neglected in the low pressure region because this is almost negligible. Lot of gaps are there in between the gaseous molecules. But at high pressure region, high pressure and low temperature, molecules are closer to each other. In this condition, we cannot neglect the volume of gaseous molecules because their volume is considerable, which is not neglected. Comparatively, the volume of gaseous molecules is more in the high pressure region, high pressure and low temperature region. At this condition, this is at a low pressure condition, so volume of gaseous molecules can be neglected. But here, high pressure region, it cannot be neglected because it has considerable volume in this case, high pressure and low temperature. Another assumption which is made in the KTG is false, that is no force of attraction or repulsion in between gaseous molecules, in between gaseous molecules. Students, at a low pressure, high temperature, this is correct. But at high pressure and low temperature, kinetic energy of molecules decreases. Kinetic energy of molecules decreases. They come closer to each other. Then both attractive and repulsive forces will operate. Both attractive and repulsive forces will be operated. So students, based on these assumptions, whatever the explanation it is given, based on this, a scientist called van der Waal has modified the ideal gas equation such that it can be applicable to the real gases. That is known as equation of state for the real gases, are known as van der Waals gas equation. So thanks for watching.